su-aasha aan ku weydiinaya waxa waaye sidee aragtidaada tahay dagaalada ka socda Soomaaliya say ku quseynaysaa?
It depresses me. It really depresses me because this is our people that they're just destroying the infrastructure of the country. They are destroying. The guy Africa Radio that who died was trying to establish entrepreneurism, bringing Canadian citizens down there. Is that Somalia is it's never going to be fixed. It's going to be honored. But how so very very soon, once we get rid of the fundamental people, terrorists and those things, because they are really destroying our country. Somalia should not be Islamic Republic of Somalia. It should be. We should get rid of the Islamic Republic of Somalia. I don't like to refer my country to Islamic Republic because we are Islamic, but I don't like that word. Because it tells people that this is, and plus we belong to the Arab Union. No, we should belong to the African Union. We should really, when you speak to Somalian, they think they're better than other black people, and that really depresses me. It comes from ignorance, right?
Yeah.
So I don't really respect Somalians, but I am Somalian. I love my people. The only Somalians I respect is Salaman. Everybody else, who cares? They just